Welcome to Boo Boo Tutu. Let's learn, play, and explore together. Hello, friends. Welcome to our colorful week. Let's learn the days of the week together. Hi, friends. It's Monday. A brand new week starts today. Happy Tuesday. Let's learn new things today. It's Wednesday. Let's draw and be creative. Happy Thursday. Let's make music today. Today is Friday. School is fun today. It is Saturday. Let's enjoy today. Today is Sunday, a calm and happy day. Let's recap. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We learned the days of the week. You did a great job. See you again next time. Bye, friends. Thanks for watching Boo Boo Tutu. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you again, Ken.